2017 or 18, I think. Duramax Chevy, oops, excuse me, GMC. It's got overspray on it. They were painting some apartments. Got a little paint on it. So what I'm doing is I'm using the clay bar, of course. Automagic's blue bars, all I use. They're fine grade 21 to polish it. It's been in an orbital polisher is actually what it is. And what it's doing is it's spinning like this, and it's actually taking swirls out instead of putting them in. And they got a really kick-ass polish. They got their cut, which I don't use. I don't use anything like that. Then they got their medium and their fine. I'm using the fine on this one because all this has is some scuff marks where the owner tried to clay it. And just car wash, you know, spider web, all black trucks after about a black vehicle, even if it's 1 year old, it's gonna get polished. Just really vast improvement. Vast improvement. Okay, look at the top here. It looks awesome. With their fine, I'm going to use their fine polish, not their medium, their fine. All right, going to use my Rubis on here.
Ah, you fucking asshole.
We're going to polish the side here. I'm going to use the Rubis Bigfoot 21. I'm going to use the fine grade. Because this here doesn't need anything hardcore, it just needs little surface scratches. Just has a little bit of spider web, so I go with the fine. It's black truck, baby. In fact, you can easily see my truck in the reflection of this tailgate. Look at that. It's pretty cool. So we got this here side done. Look at that finish. That is really just, I mean, that is the epitome of a mirror finish right there. Look at that. It really is. That is the mirror finish. Mind you, it's been clayed. It had overspray on it. Look at that top. This side's done. Look at that. It's very nice. That finish. This is say when you go any other company, all they're gonna do, clay it, wax it, wipe it off. They could never do that. Never, 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 never. Like I said before, this is no extra charge. We do this on every vehicle. We want to polish it, restore it back to better than before the damage ever occurred. In order to do that, you got to have machinery and good product. Alright, we've got the hood done. I got to do the very top now, do that last. The hood's looking pretty good. Alright. Got this whole side done. I mean, it looks 10 times better. I'm the reflection that you're getting opposed to before. Just remarkable. I mean, you can just look at the detail. You can see my foam, my wax, all that shit on there. That's polished right there. Like I say, actually, that's not part of the cleaning process. That's just I do that on every vehicle. All the front's been done, back grille, headlights, all that. This side here has been done, of course. Look at that fender. You know, trucks tend to have a little bit of orange peel. That's some good reflection right there. Bug on there. You might like the taste of that Rubit's wax. He's eating it. That is the finished product. Look at that. Finish looks awesome on this truck. Polished it, removed the overspray, all that. Oof, look at that truck. That was some work right there, I ain't gonna lie to you. And it's back. Look at that reflection. All she needs now is some nice ceramic 9 coating. Ceramic Pro H9H. Alright. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas, Division of National Overspray Removal.